That's not just the sound of making paper. That's the sound of energy-smart manufacturing.
So it's a net steam improvement to the mill, which you can use to dry paper or make electricity.
Since 2017, 67 energy efficiency projects have reduced costs, strengthened operations, kept good jobs in Kaukauna, and
saved over 14.2 million kilowatt hours. That's enough power to serve 1,700 houses. On the natural gas side, 2.5 million therms, about 3,000 homes in the wintertime.
those results come from collaboration. Ahlstrom engineers, Kaukauna utilities, and Focus on Energy's advisors, working side by side.
Not every year is this great, big, huge energy project. Some years are smaller, but you can still find things to work on and make improvements.
That mindset drives constant progress. From heat recovery and LED lighting
We've been doing LED lighting for over 10 years. These are LED.
to refiner rebuilds and pumping upgrades.
One small project can have a huge impact on the rest of the people in Wisconsin and our grid.
Every project cuts waste, reduces emissions, and strengthens one of Wisconsin's largest energy users.
From that culture, you implement projects, you seek best practices and continual improvement to build on what has been done.
For Ahlstrom, energy efficiency isn't just maintenance, it's momentum. It's how this 2025 Energy Efficiency Excellence Award recipient stays competitive and leads the way for Wisconsin industries.
It has been the beating heart of our local economy and a foundation of generations of families who have built their lives right here in Kaukauna. You've done more than just make paper. You've helped shape this city into what it is, and we are grateful.